At nais lang namin po i-report na nagsimula na po yung site inspection. Titignan po ng Philippine Coast Guard kung gaano kalalim, yung condition ng tubig, yung current, lahat-lahat, no? Para masabi nila sa isang report kung proceed na tayo mag-start officially bukas. Itong Sir, kailan po kaya?
We have already seen the area and definitely starting tomorrow we'll be doing the diving. Ngayon, even surface search naggagawa na rin ngayon.
Sir, yung ground zero na po, sa Talisay o sa Laurel?
Dito yung staging area natin para mas malapit-lapit dun sa area ng operations natin.
Gano'n ka-frequently magiging dive?
Ibi-base namin yan dun sa number of divers namin. Siyempre, siniisip din namin yung sea condition. Nakita niyo naman kanina, medyo masama yung panahon. Kaya some of our media friends were not able to go to the site kasi for safety reasons. So, same sa divers namin yun.
Sir, saan talaga tayo nag-expect kanina? Part ng Talisay or Laurel?
It's here adjacent to Laurel. So, we'll be doing the, yan yung initial area na sinurvey namin.
Ito na yung pag-isda.
So, we will start here, at vicinity of Laurel. We have teams na mag-interval naman yan based sa gagamitin naming tangke at depth ng ida-dive natin. So, pagka exceed kami dun sa normal range ng diving operation, we will be using trimix or yung mga nitrox, gano'n. So, pagka...
Sorry po. Sir, go.
Sir, 30 meters talaga yung lalim. And gano'n yung hoping malinaw ba? Malabo?
This is a lake, no? So, karakteristik niya, lalo na pagka maalon, and nakikita niyo naman murky, no? So, same yun sa bottom. As you go deep, medyo lumalabo, maburak din yung lugar.
Gagamit ko ng water drone?
That is one of the considerations namin sa equipment na gagamitin based sa, depende sa depth. But initially, we'll be using... Yes.
Crucial area.
So, wag lang kung maulan, sir, hindi pa lang.
Say again?
Possible na mag-start bukas.
Yes, actually, right now, nag-start na tayo ng initial natin, survey. The operations already started and nag-ocular lang tayo and ina-assess natin yung other equipments that we'll be using.
Ilan yung divers na naka-deploy, sir?
Depende yan, no? As we go on, yung search pattern na gagawin namin, mamaya pag-uusapan namin, no? Para efficiently at safely namin magawa yung operations. Then, it will also be an exclusion area, kaya marami kami i-consider later when we have our meeting.
Sir, pwede pa kwento, ano po yung ginawa sa assessment? May nag-dive ba?
Ocular and survey. We did some survey.
Or parang tinignan lang, sir? O meron talagang bumaba?
We did some survey.
Sir, ilan yung divers po na mag-shifting?
It depends, mamaya we will go to that. Depende dun sa search area. Yung length ng search area, dun may pattern yung number of diving.
Sir, sorry, very unique po itong circumstances natin kasi fresh water po. Tapos
Correct.
4 years po if ever we're talking about the 2021 cases.
Yeah.
Kamusta po ang experience ng Coast Guard sa mga ganitong klase ng cases?
We've been doing some search and retrieval operation and rescue operation dito sa lake. even before. Pero this is peculiar kasi ito dahil sort of crime siya talaga, no? Yung ginagawa namin dito more on sa mga accidents, incidents.